Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. On this video we're going to share with you natural hairstyle easy with curls without curls. So if you're still new here, it's better for the video up to end so that you can find something different to put on your hair, simple and easy, without gel and with gel. So if you want to look good, it's better watch the video up to end. You're going to find on this video natural hairstyle for weekend, for party, birthday. So it's better watch the video for work. So guys, it's better you watch the video up to end so that you can find beautiful natural hairstyle. I hope you're going to like it, you're going to enjoy it, and welcome again to my channel. So guys, this is Roots of Africa TV. We share natural hairstyle, always here to share with you. Like this one, really simple, easy, and makes you feel comfortable. So on this hair, you can decide to use your hair without extension, but you can see without gel. It still look natural and beautiful, guys. Look at this. It's really easy and beautiful. And this for work, it's easy. Every morning you can decide to use this natural hairstyle. It makes you feel comfortable, makes you feel natural, and the important thing, it's really quick and you don't need to put gel. Because gel, it's nice, you can look good when you put on your hair, but end of the day, it's better to at least after 1-2 days you have to wash your hair with shampoo and conditioner. But if you don't use gel, your hair became free without gel. You feel so comfortable, easy, and quick. I'm really appreciate everyone who subscribe on my channel. I'm really appreciate. God bless you more. God bless you more. So if you're still new and it's your first time to find this channel, just subscribe to my channel, because always I share natural hairstyle, easy, beautiful, without gel, with gel. Cause hair, 4G natural hair, 4C natural hair, so 4A natural hair. So you can, guys, subscribe to the channel so that you can always look good. If you want something to put on your hair easy, you can use this channel to find natural hairstyle. Mostly mostly I will share natural hairstyle, guys. So enjoy the video up to the end, and I hope you're going to find here natural hairstyle like this one. It's really easy. It's really easy. You can use for weekend, church, party,